Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Math 10C, Chapter 4, Section 2, Multiplying Polynomials, Part 2. Now, we just talked about the FOIL and multiplying stuff out like this. Now, I did mention a cheating shortcut, the rectangle diagram. Now, this is something I do a lot. You notice 7x minus 1, 7x minus 1, 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. And we multiply these out. So 7x times 2x is 14x squared. 2x minus 1 is minus 2x. 7x times minus 3 is minus 21x. Minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Now, as I said, some people find this quicker. It's the way I'm going to insist you do it. Well, not insist, but yeah, do it this way. Trust me at this point. Now, this becomes 14x squared. Now, note here, we have two x terms. A minus 21 and a minus 2, that's minus 23x plus 3. Okay? See how quick that is? Now, it's helpful if we have like terms to combine, but anyway, even for a messy one like this, 2n times n squared is 2n cubed. 2n times 4m is 8mn minus m squared n squared and minus 4m cubed, I think. Yes, 4 times minus 4m times m squared is m cubed. We have no like, oh, we do have like terms here. No, we don't. So this is 2n cubed plus 8mn minus m squared n squared minus 4m cubed. See how that's quick and neat? I like it that way. And when we do factoring soon, you really do want to do it this way. Now, checking your work. It's easy to check if you simplified it properly. Just substitute in any number for the variable in the original question and your simplified answer. The results should be the same in both. So let's go back and check our answers. Sorry, just substitute in any number. Sorry, wrong. Let's highlight that. I should try that again. Speak English, Mr. Sutton. Just substitute in any number for the variable in the original question. The results should be the same in both. So, what's a nice number to substitute in? Well, 1 works for me. 0 is even easier. Now let's do 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 1 squared plus 4. Sorry, I should say x equals 1, just to emphasize that. This is minus 1 plus 4. This is 3. So yes. Now I did that kind of quick, didn't I? All right, let me try the next one. A little slower. X squared plus y times x minus 3. We got x squared minus 3x squared. Sorry, x cubed minus 3x squared plus xy minus 3. So let's let x equal 1, y equals 0. All right, real nice numbers. So this is 1 squared plus 0 times 1 minus 3. Equals 1 cubed minus 3 times 1 squared plus 1 times 0 minus 3 times 0. 1 squared is 1 plus 0, that's 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2. What's 1 times minus 2? Minus 2. All right, now 1 cubed is 1. Minus 3 times 1 plus 0 plus 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. All right, so this is 1 minus 3 minus 2. So technically I should be saying left side equals right side. Correct. I didn't say that earlier. I'm getting old and lazy. Anyway, you're young and awake. Now I know I did that kind of quickly. So let's slow down and do this one here. I'm going to say we have x. Now, as I said, you can make x or y or z or b or a, any number you want. I like 0 and 1 because they're pretty straightforward. I'm going to do 1 again because I can. So this is 7 times 1 minus 1. 2 times 1 minus 3. 7 times 1 is 7 minus 1, that is 6. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3, that's minus 1. 6 times minus 1 is minus 6. 14 times 1 squared minus 23 times 1 plus 3. It's 14 times 1, which is 14, 23 minus 23 plus 3. So that's minus 6 also. So I should say left side equals right side. It's correct. Now for this final one, as I said, make any numbers you want. If you want to go to 11, 3, and 7, that's fine. I'm going to say m is 1, n is 0. Nice small numbers. Don't make them the same. Just humor me on that point. So this is 0 squared plus 4 times 0. 2 times 0 minus 1 squared. Now, you'll notice I went 2, 0, and it looked an awful lot like 20. So really, put your variables in brackets. So 0 squared is 0. Oh, I just poopied it, didn't I? Sorry. Yes, I can hear you complaining now. That's 4 times 1, not 4 times 0. That's what happens when you go fast, you make dumb boo-boos. So that's 4. 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 squared is 1. This is minus 1 or minus 4. So the right side, 2 times 0 cubed is 2 times 0, which is 0. Minus 0 squared times 1 squared. No. 0 squared, that's 0 times 1, which is 0. 8 times 0 times 1, that's, sorry, 8 times 0 is, yeah, plus 8 times 0 times 1, that's plus 0. And the last term is, I can't cram it in here. Actually, I can if I'm a little more careful. Minus 4 times m, which is 1 cubed. So minus 4 times 1, minus 4, which is minus 4. So left side equals right side. It's correct. Okay? How much more have we got? Okay, a few more example questions. Now, here I'm going to pause the recording because it's getting kind of long. This is getting, oh, yeah, it's not bad, but you need to practice. So I'm going to pause the recording here. And then when we come back,